Hi, welcome back. I wanted to share with you some pictures of an event we went to. It was called Enchant Christmas, and it was held at Tropicana Field, where the Rays baseball team plays. It was a big light maze. That tree was magnificent. It turned different colors while you walked around. It was about the mischievous elf. There's my dad and I. He placed presents all over the mazes and you found them. That was a big bauble. There's the other tree that turned different colors too. There was so much to see that you never got bored. That's inside one of the light displays. Rob and I had such a great time. We felt like kids. The gigantic Christmas presents were amazing. There's that tree again. You walk around and you see the different presents and the toys. Those were 3 ducks. Do you have your ducks in a row for the new year? I think I love the presents the best because some of them you could step inside, and soon you'll see me in one. There I am. I'm my husband's present. The big Christmas bauble was really cute too. And there's the little elf. I was so happy when we found him. He was so cute. We had to take pictures with him, of course. There we are again, enjoying the pre-New Year. We went to this event on December 30th with our family. Those are my 3 men, my dad, my brother, and Rob, my husband, my girls, my niece and my sister-in-law, and this beautiful little display. Now the tree was blue. My brother and I had such a great time. It reminded us so much of our mom. She would have loved to have been there. They were probably talking about sports while they were walking around. My niece and my sister-in-law and I. We always have such a great time when we're together. We're a small family, but we enjoy our time. The teddy bear was so cute. My dad was so happy. He loves when we get together. It was just the perfect event for all of us. Happy New Year, all.